Customer Service Excellence in Banking Part 2. Modern Banking Service Skills that Build Customer Trust. Welcome back to Customer Service Excellence in Banking. In our last training, we covered the fundamentals of great customer service: greeting customers warmly, listening carefully, communicating clearly, and creating positive experiences. Today, we're going further. Because banking has changed. Customers no longer compare their experience only to other banks. They compare it to every easy, fast, personalized experience they receive everywhere else. That means great banking service today is not just about being polite. It's about creating confidence, reducing stress, and making every interaction feel simple. Let's get started. Imagine this. A customer walks into the branch already frustrated. Maybe their card transaction is pending. Maybe a transfer hasn't arrived. Maybe they don't understand why funds are unavailable. The customer doesn't want a policy. The customer wants clarity. Exceptional service begins with understanding before explaining. Instead of immediately giving an answer, pause. Listen. Understand the concern. Then respond with confidence. Try saying, "I understand why that would be concerning. Let me explain what's happening and what to expect next." Customers become more comfortable when they feel heard before receiving information. Another powerful customer service technique is personalization. Customers do not want to feel processed. They want to feel recognized. Use their name naturally. Reference previous conversations when appropriate. Show that you remember. Instead of saying, "Next customer," create moments that feel personal. Try. "Welcome back. How has everything been since your last visit?" Small actions build long-term trust. Now let's talk about one of the biggest service mistakes: making customers work too hard. Great service removes effort. Ask yourself, can I explain this more simply? Can I answer the next question before they ask? Can I reduce another trip to the branch? Customers appreciate service that saves time. Instead of sending customers away with confusion, guide them. Walk through steps. Show them where information is located. Explain what happens next. Customers remember convenience. Let's talk about confidence. Customers often feel uncomfortable asking banking questions. What seems obvious to employees may feel confusing to customers. Avoid technical language. Replace banking terms with plain language. Instead of saying, "Your transaction is currently processing," try, "Your payment has started moving through the system and here's what happens next." Clear explanations reduce stress. Another modern service skill is helping customers feel confident using digital banking. Many customers want convenience but hesitate to use technology. Your role isn't to replace digital tools. Your role is to make them easier. Show customers how to check balances. Help them understand alerts. Demonstrate how to find account information. A customer who feels confident using banking tools becomes more independent and satisfied. Now let's talk about emotional intelligence. Money creates emotions. Customers may feel worried, embarrassed, frustrated, or overwhelmed. Great service means recognizing emotion without taking it personally. Stay calm. Stay professional. Stay solution-focused. Instead of saying, "That's our policy," try, "Let me explain what options are available." People rarely remember exact words, but they remember how an interaction made them feel. One more powerful technique: take ownership. Never end a conversation with uncertainty. Before the customer leaves, summarize the solution. Confirm next steps. Set expectations. Ask, is there anything else I can help make easier today? That final moment leaves a lasting impression. Remember, outstanding banking service isn't about perfection. It's about consistency. Listen with intention. Communicate clearly. Reduce effort. Create confidence. Show empathy. Make every interaction easier than the customer expected. Because customers may forget transactions, but they remember service. Thank you for joining Customer Service Excellence in Banking Part 2. We'll see you in the next training.
Disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only and is not legal, compliance, or financial advice. Please consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions.